Hello everyone! Today, we're exploring the Scotts Wizz Handheld Spreader, a compact battery-powered tool designed for year-round lawn care tasks. Let's look into its design, performance, and provide our ratings. Let's start with the design of the Scotts Wizz Handheld Spreader. The Scotts Wizz Handheld Spreader is engineered for versatility and ease of use. It's powered by 4 AA batteries and boasts a 5-foot broadcast range, enhanced by EdgeGuard RR technology to prevent product from landing on non-lawn areas. With 23 spreader settings, it offers precise control for various applications, including grass seed, fertilizer, salt, and ice melt. The hopper holds enough product to cover up to 2,500 square feet, making it suitable for small to medium-sized lawns. Now, let's talk about the performance of the product. Users appreciate its lightweight design and ergonomic handle, which make it comfortable to operate. The battery-powered mechanism ensures a consistent spread pattern, reducing the effort compared to manual spreaders. However, some users have reported issues with the battery compartment's durability and the spreader's performance over time. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's start with the pros first. Versatility, suitable for various materials year-round. EdgeGuard, RU prevents spreading onto non-lawn areas. Adjustable settings, offers 23 settings for precise application. Now, let's look at the cons. Battery compartment issues. Some users report durability concerns. Limited capacity, may require frequent refills for larger areas. After considering its features, pros, and cons, we've rated the Scotts Wizz Handheld Spreader a solid 4.3 out of 5. This spreader offers convenience and precision for small to medium lawn care tasks, though potential buyers should be mindful of its capacity and battery compartment durability. What are your thoughts on the Scotts Wizz Handheld Spreader? If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more product insights. Happy spreading!